for our last session is Matt Peterson from the Copyright Clearance Center. He's a Director of Rights Holder Relations with a career previously at Elsevier in corporate book sales. And we actually might have crossed paths. Were you in Burlington?
I was.
There you go. Matt?
Small world. So just quickly before I start, if you're following around along with the program, you'll see my colleague's name, Miles McNamee, was due to present today. Miles had a conflict that he told me about earlier this week, which was he referred to as vacation. So here I am. If the next 5 minutes goes well, remember my name. If it doesn't, remember Miles's name. So in 2013, CCC ran a pilot program of a new service that provides quick access and retrieval of full-text XML from multiple scientific publishers specifically for the reason of text mining. The service provides a licensed means to access and retrieve published content in a standard format for text miners. I'm pleased to say today that the pilot program went well, and things were very positive on the service concept, and we're moving forward with a full launch of the service in June 2015, initially targeted at the life sciences market. Now, one of the first things we tried to do when we started looking at this market is understand the pain points of the corporate text miner, and there's a few. Text mining is limited to abstracts because that's what's accessible. Obtaining agreements and feeds is expensive. It's just hard and it's costly. So our text mining service expands the capabilities of companies' text mining efforts beyond article abstracts, beyond open access articles, and allows researchers to search and download the full text from a single source. So there's value to the corporate text miner. We also believe there's value to the rights holder, to the publisher. The new workflow is an opportunity for rights holders to allow new uses of their content. It supports your subscriptions. It's a new revenue-generating service. TDM is at the intersection of three major markets that are large and diverse. When you look at STM specifically, we understand that the major use today is in the life sciences market, but we see a need going forward whether you look at chemicals, whether you look at IT software, whether you look at energy. How does it work? The first thing is publishers provide content and rights. Content in the form of XML in abstract form and in full text form. They provide the rights, machine-readable rights, not human-readable rights. Companies interact with the software by creating article sets using keywords or other criteria. And this includes subscribed and unsubscribed content. So there's value in both areas. Once they've actually defined their corpus of XML, their corpus of articles they want to mine against, they download that into a full package that contains their full article set. That is then taken and uploaded into their actual mining software that they usually have on site, be it a Linguamatics or an IBM Watson or the sort. The mining takes place on those products. We're about getting the content. As I said, we see it as a revenue-generating opportunity for rights holders. Provides a new way for subscribers to get value out of their subscriptions. The only way a user can mine against a full-text piece of content or a full-text piece of XML is if they have a subscription of yours in place. Because there's extended value there. We give full reporting for rights holders, including dollars associated to titles, but interestingly enough, we'll also talk about the users that are using your content in XML. So you'll actually get a list of users that are using the service. The scope of the license is limited specifically to text and data mining. I talked earlier about machine-readable versus human-readable. This is machine-readable use. This is not the ability to convert to PDF, so it will not replace primary subscriptions and readership that you have today. The participating publishers are large. As you can see, we're really trying to focus on specific STM life sciences markets. A demo in 15 seconds. This is great. So the user creates a project, sets a criteria for their project. They actually define and bring their articles down from both, as I said, existing subscriptions and from unsubscribed article metadata. Once they have their initial set of articles, they then actually use the filter mechanism within our software to filter down those result sets. This is not Google. It's very common that a user is looking across 10,000 different pieces of XML, and that's what they want to mine across. So that's what they actually download, that result set, into our platform, into a corpus of articles that is then, as I said, uploaded into their existing text and data mining platform. Timeline, April 2015. Right now, we're in beta with a few life sciences organizations that are using the software. We will do a full launch at SLA in June, and we're looking for publishers to participate. Thank you very much. That was fast.
Thanks, Matt. All right, that concludes the flash sessions. And another call out, all of you can participate and have an opportunity to showcase an initiative that you're working on, a project that you're collaborating on, or a new product development feature that you want to highlight. So please come to us and let us know. One more round of applause for the panel.
And also for you, Jasper. Yeah.